OBS Studio. It is free and open source using for online classes and YouTube video recording purpose and live streaming purpose. Installation setup on Windows 11 browser. Open Google search box లో OBS Studio download. Enter key press. Official link first section లో display. obsproject.com download. First link click. OBS Open Broadcaster Software official web page complete display. Middle section లో download OBS Studio. Select your operating system. Supporting OS Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Operating system default detect Windows display. The Windows release of OBS Studio supports Windows 10 operating system and Windows 11 operating system. Users only download this application. Right side installation latest version 32.0.4 released date December 13th 2025 year. Download installer first button click. Thank you for downloading OBS Studio. Downloads section లో OBS-Studio latest version 32.0.4 Windows x64 architecture installer.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 150 MB. Wait and hear few minutes. Process completed. Next installation setup. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో installer.exe setup file display. Select mouse right click. Run as administrator option select. OBS Studio installer window లో first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to OBS Studio setup window లో first button next click. License information application related complete info display in middle section. Read once. Second button next click. Choose install location. Destination folder. Application related installation location display. Local disk C program files newly created folder OBS Studio. In case change the another OneDrive browse button click. Unnecessary present space required. Minimum system hard disk space 808.0 MB. Second button installs click. Installing. Please wait while OBS Studio is being installed. Application related installation files extracting process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Completed setup. Desktop OBS Studio shortcut icon display. Second button finish click. OBS Studio running process start. Auto configuration wizard window లో usage information display. Middle section లో first option optimize for streaming and recording is secondary. Facebook, YouTube live streaming purpose and users first option left side circle tick mark set. Second one optimize use for recording. I will not be streaming, only video recording, YouTube purpose and online classes purpose. Second one option select. Third one I will only be using the virtual camera. Zoom app multi-purpose recording users purpose. Third option select. Present system screen recording. Second one option left side circle tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second button next click. Video settings. Specify the video settings you would like to use. First one base canvas resolution. Related box right side down arrow click. Screen resolution default detect and display. First one option use current 1600 by 900 your screen resolution size. Second one display selected area screen recording related. Second one option. Third one video recording resolution. My screen recording resolution. Second one select. Second one option FPS FPS main using screen recording very smoothly. Option right side down arrow click. 60 main using online gaming and graphics related videos recording purpose 60 frames select. YouTube recording and online recording purpose 30 frames select. Second button click. Next. Final result. Testing complete. All settings related information display. Second button. Apply settings. Click. OBS complete user interface dark mode display. Window maximize. Left side bottom section lo first one. Second button screen option. Mouse right click. Rename set. Keyboard delete key press. Enter any one project related name. Charlie. Enter key press. Second section. Structure. Section of bottom side first icon. Add screen. Icon click. Number of options. Recording purpose display. Image recording. Image slideshow. And gaming purpose. All options display. Present screen recording. Display capture. Option select. And capture name. Project related name. Enter. OBS. Screen recording. OK button click. Properties for use. First one, capture method, automatic box display. Second one, display option. Select display to capture. Right side down arrow click. Your monitor name display. Select first button. OK click. Selected area complete full screen. Four sides red color line display. Each one edge point to display. Specific area only recording purpose. Top section left edge round circle point. Mouse left click, drag bottom side and top edge resolution pixel and left bottom side related measurement display and reset top edge and one side start recording button click. In case any change OBS interface settings last one setting button click. Settings window lo left side box lo complete interface settings options display. Audio settings, video settings, recording streaming settings,